Got the twill fabric as mentioned before, so you know it's matches the paint. It's black, so you know it'll even show a dog hair really easily.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to take a second to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. That's awesome. You guys are awesome. We're excited to make more videos. We're excited to keep pushing the content and bringing you guys some more cool stuff, so stay tuned.
Alright guys, Cameron just picked up his twill top, best top, NX Glide. We're unpacking it right now. Got the fabric part in the bag. Really nice material. The twill material, really nice. It's got all, you know, the hardware laid out, going through the instructions and setting it up. So we're about to throw it on the Jeep, and we'll give you an update once we start getting everything suited on. So we're putting these support brackets in. We got this one in. We're having a little trouble with that one over there. We got these in. They just bolted up to the factory location. Got the padding over on the factory stitching, so didn't have to cut anything. That support brackets in. I'll have to make a little cut for this one back here. Alright, so what we did is we pulled this rubber thing off so we can expose the threads more. We pulled it off and snipped it back a little bit so it'll catch the jam nut or whatever you want to call it. It's already back through here. It's already held, so we're gonna try to throw that in now. Alright, now we've got both brackets in. I made a little cut right here and just on the outside of the zipper so that way it'll stay nice and intact. So that looks pretty good, nice and solid. Got it done on both sides. And now we're about to put on the door surrounds right up here. Alright guys, got the door surrounds in. Very simple, very easy. These come with a little logo right here, pretty cool. Just pops in a pin down there. And then line up these holes, screw in these little star tab things. And we popped in this bow right here, so now we're just cleaning up this area before we slap it on. Got these two little things popped in. Make sure that the little lip right here is on facing the outside of the vehicle so the bar can slide in and sit flush right here. Alright, so we got the top bikini portion laid out with the header, so we're gonna go ahead and start assembling all the bracketry for all this, and then we'll get it slapped on. And we'll probably do the windows last. So we're gonna go ahead and start getting this figured out. Alright, so this bar right here slides into this plastic piece, and then it tells you in the instructions to take out these two screws that's holding down the fabric so you can screw in this bar right here, these two screws. And once you get that done, you can screw the fabric back in. Alright, so the top portion is now on, the fabric part. We've got the rear bracket in. Got this clipped into those roll bar brackets. And we've got the front end, pretty self-explanatory in the instructions. We've got this piece popped in, this little tab right here, just like a factory soft top. Got the bar assembled. So we got the strap running across here. We got that screwed in. We got this corner piece screwed in. So the corner of the fabric goes on the inside hole, not the outside, and that's on both sides. So looks like that. Oh, yeah. All right, so we got these. We got the spring cable going through this flexible piece, and then mounted this. So that's how that looks. Now all we have left to do is to put on some foam strips up here for sealant, and then we will put in the windows. All right, guys, finally finished getting everything on. It was, we didn't do this in the sunlight, so everything was really tight. Having to put in this seam right here and then get this down in that seam. So, you know, it just took a lot of tugging from every corner, and then, you know, getting all of this seated into this seam right here, and then kind of twisting it around to slide in the windows. That was a pretty big pain. So we're probably gonna have to wait till it warms up in the sun to finish these two little pieces right here. It's not a big deal, it's not raining or anything, so it's fine. What they use for these channels is plastic. It seems like some plastic material, and it's just a better view. It's supposed to be like a V, so it's tight, but the fabric is so tight that it's pulling it open, so hopefully that doesn't pop off. Other than that, this holds on by Velcro. It's all good to go, and then we latch this up here on the header, of course. So that's all good to go. The inside of it's got the pockets. It's got the black twill material. Really nice looking. Really cool. Yeah, guys, looks pretty slick. We'll do another clip here the next day or two of when it's outside, so we can get a better view of it, since it's a little dark in the garage. And yeah, stay tuned for the rest of this video. All right, guys, here's the finished product. Just went to a gas station so you guys can get a better look under some light. Looks really clean. Clean Jeep. Looking like a JL top, to be honest. Looking like a JL two-door. I really like it. It's got really nice edges. Really cool top. Looks really cool from the side too. You can get an idea of how much of an angle it has right here. It's got the twill fabric as mentioned before, so you know it's matches the paint. It's black, so you know it'll even show a dog hair really easily. Let's see if I can zoom in on this material for you guys. So when you get mud on it, when you're going off-road, you can pressure wash it and it'll come right out. Oh yeah! Anyways, so when you've gone mudding and if you leave it on there for a few days, it'll normally pressure wash right out, which is really nice. So I mean, you know, it's the twill top, twill fabric material, the premium material they call it. Yeah, guys, that wraps up this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully it was entertaining to you guys, and subscribe for more, and we'll keep making more videos for you guys.